welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to cook a baked potato using the microwave in Voices of the Void. So the first thing you're going to need is to get yourself a potato. You can cut these with a knife, but it doesn't really matter. You can cook them with or without having them cut. Always make sure to really slam that fridge shut. And then you'll need to have the microwave, and you'll make sure it's plugged in the back, because it doesn't start plugged in. Then go ahead and open it. Stick your potato in there. It can be sliced or it can be regular. And then you close that microwave door. And then we want to set this for 60 seconds, and we're going to run this twice. You literally have to cook the potato for 2 minutes so that it's fully cooked. Otherwise, you can't actually eat it. So once it's done with the first 60 seconds, you're going to want to make sure it still has the timer set to 60. If it reset on you, just dial it back to 60 again, and then activate it for a second time. Because again, you need to have this thing warmed for a total of 2 minutes, so that and 2 full cycles, so that it'll be fully cooked and you can actually eat it. And if you hover over the actual dial, you can watch the timer tick down in the lower left-hand corner. Alright, so now that it's done, we can open it up, and you might notice, depending on what angle you're standing at, sometimes if you, like, squat down, you can kind of see that there's a lot of steam coming off of it. If you try to pick it up right now, you'll burn yourself. As evident right there. So don't do that. Give it a sec to cool off, then once it has, you can devour it like you're a hungry, starving bear. Alright, looks like it's more or less safe to hold. So we'll hold it, and then we can click to munch on it, and it's got 2 bites in it, and then you have consumed the entire potato. Congratulations, you are now a master of potato-mancy, at least whole potato-mancy, not sliced potato-mancy, inside of Voices of the Void. Go forth and consume potatoes.